how to delete stickers from WhatsApp. Now, to delete stickers from WhatsApp, because maybe you have added your own sticker on WhatsApp and then you've added them within your account or within your keyboard of your WhatsApp. For this, you simply want to open up your WhatsApp, any chat over here, and simply go to your message box. Now tap on the WhatsApp's emoji icon that you can see here, not your keyboard's emoji icon, but your WhatsApp's emoji icon right here. And after that, on the right hand side, you want to simply go to the sticker tab. Here you will see all the stickers that you have created yourself. So to delete your own stickers, all you have to do is just simply long press on a certain sticker, and then you'll find the remove button that you can see here. Tap on it and to simply remove those stickers right from here. You can also go ahead and then long press on it. You can view the pack and add it. Otherwise, you can also choose to delete those stickers. And that's all it takes for you to delete a sticker on WhatsApp. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.